All right, Craig, this is a gift basket for you. It's Victoria, it's my assistant, so she's going to show you everything that's in there. So the basket itself is a big stainless steel bowl. And then we've got two of the big bottle buddies that they love. I already put the bottles in there for you. That's all of it, Victoria's assistant. And then you've got the big gingerbread man. Anyway, we're going to get it all in there. The wellness treats. The busy buddy with the little busy berries that you put inside there and you play with it. And then we've got the little puppy dumbbell and the little puppy chew, or if that's good for little dogs too. Nylabone. And then we've got the chew hoof and the deer antler. So this would be a great gift for somebody to give to someone else. We've got two little puppy toys. And then we've got the little fleece. And a little Christmas rope, a little rubber ring for them to chew on. And we've got the big bouncy, which they love, and those things last forever, and then the little unstuffed toy. So anyway, Craig, I hope this helps, and I hope you'll be able to auction it off and get some money. Merry Christmas.